Guys, so today I'll be doing an unboxing and review for Aloha Slimes. I actually already took like a sneak peek at this package and I'm really excited. So first of all, this package is really nice. There's these cushions here so that things don't move around. And then on top is a bag of extras, and every slime has a lot of bubble wrap around it, so it looks like nothing leaked, so that's awesome. So here's what it looks like. Thank you for your order. And then this is their website, alohaslimes.com, email, and their Etsy shop. And let's take a look at the bag of extras. So first of all, there's this really cute panda squishy charm, or like you could turn into a keychain, so that's really fun. There's two of these little rubber squishies. This one is really cute. Not sure what animal it is. Looks kind of like a koala. But yeah, it's really soft and squishy. And this is a cute little sun. Also, look at how squishy it is. And then we have another squishy. This is like a pink dog. We have this, which is really pretty. It's really like hollow glitter flakes. Some of it, I guess, is getting out, but it's so pretty. We have some more glitter. This is like a clear, iridescent kind of looking glitter. Really pretty. A huge bag of borax. So that's really cute. We also have some cute labels. This right here, I guess it's just some kind of charm. It's like a unicorn. And so yeah, here is their business card. And then we have some more charms. So tons and tons of extras. This one, coffee. This one looks like those candy marshmallows. And this is a little cow. Super cute. And I'm sure you can match these with your slimes. So here is the box of slimes. I have here 6 slimes and they all are individually bubble wrapped. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's what their packaging looks like. This one, I don't know if you can actually see it, but it says Grape Jelly Cube Slime. Alright, so this immediately, it smells like grape candy, and I actually really like the scent. It smells really good. I guess it smells like grape juice, yeah. It really smells like grape juice, and at first it wasn't as stretchy, but after playing with it, it got a lot more stretchy, and I really like the color. It's like, it looks basically exactly like grape juice, and it smells really nice. The jelly cubes are really fun to play with, and I like how thick the clear slime is, and it is not sticky at all. It's the perfect consistency, so I would totally recommend this one. It's a lot of fun. Alright, so this next one is called Mint Chocolate Scented Butter Slime. The color looks exactly like mint chocolate chip ice cream, so I'm quite excited. this slime smells exactly like mint chocolate chip ice cream. I'm actually quite amazed at how accurate the scent is. So this really makes me crave mint chocolate chip ice cream. And the color is on point, and there's also some little, I'm not sure what they are, but they look like the chocolate in the ice cream. So that's really cute. And I really like the consistency of this butter slime. It feels a lot just like a plain glue slime, but you can definitely tell it's a butter slime, but it's not like too much clay in it. So yeah, I really like this. Love the color, and the scent is really amazing. Alright, so this next one is called Thick Clear Slime. And it looks like it's not completely cleared yet. There's still some air bubbles in it, but that could be from shipping, but you can tell it is definitely very clear. Alright, so I totally love this slime because I just really like, one of my favorite types of slime is just a plain like clear glue slime that is really thick. I don't know how they made it so nice and thick. It's like really fun to play with. So yeah, I would totally recommend this one. It's really nice and clear, as you can see. It makes a lot of fun bubble pops and clicky noises, and it's a very holdable clear glue slime, which is often quite hard to find, so I really enjoy this one. Alright, this next one is called Coffee Cloud Slime, and I'm assuming that's what the charm is for. Alright, so this one I really like how the charm goes with it. It smells really, really nice. It smells kind of like hazelnut coffee, I would say. Yeah, it smells really good. Alright, so this next one looks super fun. It's called Unicorn Cloud Slime. So yeah, I really like this one. I always love mixing the colors together for slimes. Again, it smells very nice. I feel like it's kind of like cotton candy or just some kind of candy scent. And the cloud slime is really nice and holdable. And when you mix the blue and pink together, it turns into this gorgeous purple color. So I really like this one, and it also goes with this charm right here. So that's super fun. All right, this last one is called Strawberry Ice Cream, and it's a smaller size compared to the other ones. So let's check it out. Alright, so this I believe is another butter slime. It really feels a lot like this mint chocolate chip one. But yeah, I really like the color of this. It's really nice and stretchy and glossy and clicky. The scent, I'm not sure if it's strawberry scented. To me it smells kind of like bubble gum. Maybe that's just me though, I don't know. But I don't really smell strawberry that much, but it still smells really good, and the texture of it is very, very nice. Alrighty, so here is a quick overview of everything in this package. It is just so much fun. I really appreciate all the cute extras. I love the sun, it's so cute. But yeah, the slimes are very high quality, and I think this mint chocolate chip one is my favorite just because it smells so good and the color is exactly like mint chocolate chip ice cream, so I think they did a really good job with that, and the texture is really fun. But yeah, I just really enjoy slime shops that put a lot of effort into their naming, their scents, their coloring, and the extras are always a lot of fun. So yeah, I would totally check them out. Again, it's Aloha Slimes. You can check them out on Etsy, Aloha Slimes for Love. And yeah, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.